This is called a vanity fridge. It's for like all your cosmetic stuff. And the main reason I guess I wanted to get this was to keep my little gua sha thing that I got for Christmas that I've been wanting forever. Cool, I didn't want to store it in the fridge downstairs with all the food because that's just kind of gross to me. They are kind of pricey, not gonna lie. But then I went to Walmart and lo and behold, it was on major clearance.
How much are they?
15.
15?
I know.
That's
I'm
it?
getting one.
Yes.
I went to Target and they got some fancy like collaborative brand there, so it's like 80 bucks. I wanted to open this up because I've been waiting too long. It's always cool. Indulge in a little more of the shells. Break it. Well, it's not going any further.
Why is this always us?